Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Unplug the magic bullet and remove the jar and blade assembly so you can access the motor housing. Once done, flip the unit and remove the 4 base screws with a 7mm socket or Torx T20. Keep screws grouped by hole. Make sure to document connector orientation and take a quick photo. This prevents miswiring later. As you open the housing, gently separate clips. Do not force plastics. You want clean access to the motor coupling and the base gear. You now remove the motor coupling. Hold the rotor steady and lift the coupling straight off. If stuck, pry gently at the tab. Once exposed, inspect the base gear and any washer or spacer. Note the gear teeth direction so you reassemble correctly. Pull the damaged gear off the shaft, then press the new gear on, aligning your mark or keyway. Use the original retaining clip or set screw to secure it. Make sure the gear seat's flush. Improper seating causes wobble and noise. You finish by reconnecting any wiring exactly as your photo reference shows, then close the housing. Hand thread screws first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten snugly but don't over-torque the plastic. Once assembled, put an empty jar on the coupling and run a short motor test to confirm smooth engagement and correct rotation. If you hear grinding or wobble, stop immediately. Check gear seating and retaining clip alignment. As a troubleshooting tip, if noise persists, recheck gear orientation and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.